We're starting another chapter now, and we're going to take a look at some other drafting tools that are available to you on the AutoCAD interface. Now, we've got another drawing for you. It looks familiar. It's called ground floor plan underscore rev 2, and the rev 2 stands for revision 2. So it might be the next revision up on the design of your floor plan. So what we're going to do, we're going to zoom in on this area over here, the outdoor landscaped area that we placed in the previous chapter. So let's zoom in on that area a little bit, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to place some outdoor furniture. So on the layer drop down, just check that you are using the FFE layer, that one there. The drawing should have opened with that layer current. If it isn't current, just click on the drop down, find the A700M FFE layer. Click on it and make it current. Now, we're going to take a look at drawing rectangles and polygons. Now, we have touched on rectangle a little bit, so let's go and have a look at a rectangle in a slightly different way. Going to go up to the Draw panel here on the Home tab on the ribbon, and it's this little flyout top right on the Draw panel. You've got rectangle or polygon. So select rectangle, come into the drawing area. It's asking for the first corner point. So I'm going to pick a point about here, like so. And as you can see, I'm forming my rectangle like that. Now, you'll notice I've got some options down there on the command line. If I right-click, they also pop up on the shortcut menu. I'd like you to select dimensions, this one here. Now, it's asking for the length of the rectangle. Now, the length is going to be 3500, 3,500 millimeters. Press enter. And the width is going to be 2,000 millimeters. Press enter. So there's your rectangle, but as you rotate now, can you see you can now rotate it around that original point that you clicked, which is great for orientation in a drawing if you need to specify it. So we're going to place it here, sort of top right. If you look as you go round, top right, just left click once, job done. There's our rectangular outdoor table, 3,500 by 2,000 millimeters. Very quick and easy. We're going to draw a circle now. So again, Draw panel. Click on the circle flyout. Center radius. Come over here to the top right corner of the landscaped area. Pick a point. It doesn't have to be exact, and left click. And then as you drag outwards, we're going to type in 2,000 and press enter for the radius. Now, we're not going to keep the circle. The circle is there as a guide for our polygon that we're going to place. So what we do now, Draw panel again, same flyout as rectangle, but we select polygon. Into the drawing area, number of sides by default is 4. You can start at 3. You can't go below 3. Think about that for a moment. Two-sided polygon wouldn't quite work. Now we're going to go for 8 sides. We want an octagonal outdoor table. So type in 8, press enter to confirm, and it now asks for the center of the polygon. Make sure your object snaps are on. Go and touch on the edge of the circle. You'll see the center snap appear. Now you'll notice you don't have to go to the center of the circle to get the center snap current. Notice my crosshair is just touching the circle. You can move into the center and click if you want to, but you don't need to. Left click, and you'll see now that you get some options for your polygon. So you've got inscribed in the circle or circumscribed about the circle. Inscribed will be inside the circumference of the circle. Circumscribed will be outside the circle. We want it outside the circle, so I'm going to click on circumscribed. I'm going to come up here, and you'll see my polar tracking kicks in. And when I get that intersection there, just left click, and there's our octagonal outdoor table. The circle isn't needed anymore, so I just click on the circle, right click, erase on the shortcut menu, and there's our octagonal outdoor table. So there's 2 different polylines there. They're closed polylines. If you hover over them, that one is one object and it's a polyline. It's an octagonal polyline. This one's a rectangular polyline. But you've used the rectangle command and the polygon command to create them.